This is an overview of the Digest newsletter reader. To get to the newsletter reader, just click on Newsletters at the top of your dashboard. Now, within the Digest inbox here, you basically can access your email address that we create for you when you signed up. So you'll copy this email address and then subscribe to any of your newsletters with that email address. Those newsletters will then appear directly within your inbox rather than in your Gmail account or whatever service you use for email. In addition, if you already have a ton of newsletters in your Gmail account, you could just forward them from Gmail. And by clicking on this, we have some documentation that will walk you through how to forward your newsletters from Gmail over to Digest. And this will help free up your inbox, and you're only going to see the newsletters within Digest and you won't see them within Gmail. Now, within the reader itself, each of the newsletters that you receive will automatically show up here. When you first subscribe to a newsletter, you will see that you'll get an email confirming, where you need to confirm your subscription. And by clicking on this, you'll be able to confirm them right within Digest. Going back here, you have some options. You can open this up in a new tab, and that'll just give you the actual newsletter on a dedicated page. And then you can also share these or archive them. So once you've read it, you can just click on Archive, and that'll get rid of it. Move it over to your archive. To see anything that has been archived, you can click on Show Archived, and that'll just show you your archived newsletters. Back in the inbox, anything that's new will have this new tag on it. Once you click on Read More to read it, the new tag will disappear, and then you can read your newsletter. Once you're done with it, you can just archive it, and it'll go over to your archive. You can also search your newsletters. So if I want to just search for, let's say, Skim, it'll bring up just the newsletters I've received from the Skim. And by the way, to see where the newsletters are coming from, you could just look below the title. It'll say by, and then it'll have the newsletter author's name or the company's name. In addition to this, you can also now add the newsletters as a source to your digest. So if you create a digest, and let's say we have a couple of sources in here, we'll add the date, we'll add the weather, and we'll also just add a Reddit subreddit here. We'll just add, Ask Reddit. Now we can also get our newsletters in here. So we'll add the newsletter source, and what this is going to do is just simply pull in all of the newsletters that we subscribe to, and it's going to show us all the new ones we've received over the last day. And so when we save this source and we actually receive our digest email, you'll have a list of the newsletters that you've received. And so you can just simply click on the newsletter title here, and that'll take you right to the digest reader where you can then read that newsletter. You can then just simply archive it and go back and click on any of the other newsletters you've received. So this makes it really, really simple to see what you've received, and you can read your newsletters right within the Digest newsletter reader. That's a quick overview. We hope you love it. We have a couple more features that will be coming soon. And if you notice any bugs or issues, please let us know.